July ni khat sang hi som ni paruk ani Pakistan le Afghanistan tu na hianin an indo me kani ve that mai na Pakistan lampang la hi Iran le US rem tumin ti hianin a pheboy ama ro chu tu na hianin Taliban ho te ne in do dai mai ani he thi lai kan ron ri kan ron soi zau mai in he hi en ho lo kang
zirlai tele na thokta ta na thulom om deu nei hostel tharlom nan joy girls hostel chuan room tina cheng zanga trip discount pemeka hostel admission team masaber chon cheng sang thum lekin thama saber atan room alwa theidon bok ani mania room involved theina tur chauka zaw nuam takte insunga tur washing machine te bathroom te omveka room a zaw tha a theng thon nuama privacy a tha a zirlai le na thokta ta ngai ven chi tak ani joy girls hostel hi college veng le republic in rin na motor sil na chak veng hluya a oma seat atam lo awangin hostel mamo chuan a hnoi phone number kan tar lana hian in lo be thep doni o
yes Joy Girls Hostel lo even donia oh let kan reaction ang
Afghanistan and Pakistan are once again at the center of a dangerous border escalation. The Afghan Taliban says it has carried out strikes on targets inside Pakistan.
Afghan Taliban am je chu Afghanistan ro rel tu Taliban ani oh chu wan chon in Taliban kan ti khan Afghanistan ani ti kha kan thre thiam tlang in arina ma chu wan chon tu na chang chon Taliban hir kan ti tawang Taliban lampang hian in Pakistan ramchhungah hian in beihpui an vatha kan ni an huai ang ring khop mai
the latest chapter in a growing conflict between the two neighbors. The latest exchange of fire comes just days after Pakistan launched airstrikes inside Afghanistan, saying it was targeting militant hideouts responsible for attacks on Pakistani soil.
Mani ni reilote kalta khanin Pakistan lampang hian in Afghanistan hi an vabom ani heti an vabom na chan hi Pakistan lampang chuanin sipai ho tombuk an bi ruk na mun an ron be ani a chan chu kang mi te khanin Pakistan an ron be iwang ani ti in Pakistan lampang chuanin official deuh chuanin thu an chu ave ani boi thak deuh chu Middle East tuna Iran le US ten in dawa tuna po hianin Israel le Iran te hi indo theireng din huna anning me kani tuna hian Israel le Iran te hi mo khatiang kha ania chuan ramchen om pan hi Afghanistan le Pakistan tuna hianin anin ti buai vele a nikom lama operation sindur India le Pakistan indo te po han react te to kha tuna Pakistan le Afghanistan te han lo ti buai le a buai kha khop maya a buai noi mai ni tunai phei chu mo khovel hi mun sang sanga lir hing na ang reng thin boxia.
Now, both sides are claiming they were acting in self-defense and are accusing the other of causing civilian casualties.
Afghanistan Taliban ho te le Pakistan ho te hi an soida na chonin okay mani in Vietnam kini chong kan ti ve mai ani antia he hi Iran le US te style an la ka tia ke chuan a chan chu US le Iran te po tianga hanin ka ton hian kan in Vietnam ani hi antia no khovel kheta to apo Pakistan le Afghanistan hi te hian ka pa khate ka chu mani in Vietnam na lom anti vele a style anin copy kwal ton vel mai ni te po hian ni na lang ani.
The Taliban-led government in Kabul says it carried out strikes on targets along the Pakistan border. Pakistan's military says it shot down 4 drones during the incident.
Vo in July nikhat sangi somni paruk hianin Pakistan sipai te chuanin Afghanistan atanga ron thlok lu drone pali kan lo intercept ani antia Afghanistan Taliban ho te chuanin Pakistan kan be ani kha anti vele thung ani chu wan chuanin a chiang chho viau mai ngor o Balochistan te hi Pakistan do thin khani in ka ria he ho te po hi an in rol ve thei mai the ni he thila hian chuan India hi chu in rol lo ang chuan ala langa ma se hetianga Pakistan a boy hi chu aruk tak chuanin alom ve thawin ka ring.
If the Afghan Taliban continue to provoke Pakistan, they would receive a befitting response which would cost them heavily.
Pakistan sipai ho so ya Taliban ho te hian boina an ron siam renga miron chau renga ni chuan keini po hian in natakin kan chang le don te in Pakistan sipai te chuan soi ni.
The escalation follows Pakistan's military operation on Sunday, which included both airstrikes and ground action along the border.
Pakistan lampang hian in nimin anilo Pakistan lampang hian in Sunday akhan Sunday kalta khan Afghanistan a hian in beipui lo wathak teu maya jet fighter mang te pon lo be ve nge ni turani.
Islamabad says its forces targeted militant camps in Afghanistan's Paktia, Paktika and Kunar provinces. Pakistan's information minister said the operation was launched in response to recent terrorist attacks inside Pakistan. He said 29 militants were killed, including members of groups that Pakistan accuses of staging attacks across the border.
Hey, he Reuters ina an report ania. Chuan Pakistan lampang khanin beipui wa thla khanin Afghanistan a khan Mizoram ni pariat vel an wathat ni in alang ani. Oh, Pakistan sipai te hian hianin beipui an wathak ani. Chuanin Taliban ve thung Afghanistan an Taliban ve thung ero chuanin hetianga Pakistan ina minron be awang hian sipai ni lem lo civil mi som thum pariat lai nun na an chan an lo ti vele thung bok ane.
Pakistan maintains that its operations were aimed only at militant infrastructure and
Pakistan lampang chuanin sipai ho chawlom kan target an te ma se Afghanistan lampang chuanin anilo civil mi som thum pariat in thattelani an te na ni de uberani chu
safe havens. But Kabul strongly disagrees. The Taliban government says the Pakistani airstrikes hit residential areas rather than militant targets.
Sipai omna a target fulowa Pakistan te hian civil mi te omna a target fu ani anti ni hei atak tak ani chuan ki chu makatilawa chan chu ni kom operation sindura te pokhan Pakistan ai kha chuan in India ral thom shim te pokha chung nung joka tuna te po hian Pakistan lampang hian in an target taka hi an wakap fu thengem o ti kha zona om theya chan chu ni kom operation sindura India le Pakistan ti boy te pokhan in India khan en hne lu tukani du chuan Pakistan he an kap chefep thayani ti bai te ang Masa US aron in rol awang chau khan India khan tiang khanin US aron in rol awang le Pakistan lampangin miron kap to su anti awang khan khatiang khan India kha chuanin an be zui lo ta khan ni masa India te po khanin du an airport Pakistan airport runway te kha waka che chaka ti khan thona te pon thlok chok thailo khan ni hal dera India kha pui khop maya tuna Afghanistan lampang hi chu lemin an ral thuam lama te po an nu fual deu ti asheta ti taka Pakistan ni na awanga ma awachou hi mo nikum operation sindura te khanin Pakistan jet fighter te chu ron thlok lut ngam hleine India ra ba khan mo
Afghan officials claim that 38 civilians were killed and more than 160 others were.
Chuan thil interesting deuh pakhat a awma Afghanistan lampang hianin an soidana chuanin Pakistan ramchhungah ISIS ke te omna kan va target ani anti vele thung ani hei Taliban howina an thu chu ani hamzia chuanin Pakistan ram hi chu terrorist state ani ti kan thria Pakistan ram chunga hianin hel ho hi tam tak hi an biru thina chu Taliban ho hianin ISIS te omna kha kan va target ani anti vele thung ani hei Pakistan Taliban ho tran chan vele thung ani
were injured, including women and children. The Taliban has described Pakistan's actions as an atrocity and has vowed that the attack will be due answered. Now, the United Nations Assistance Mission in Afghanistan has confirmed that at least 28 civilians were killed and 49 were injured in the attack.
Mizoram ni pariat an theti in UN lampang chuan an confirm to Afghanistan chunga Pakistan ina tenga beipui wa thla ka wang hian chumai pi lama chuan in Mizoram ga don in hliam an tur bokani Afghanistan chunga hian mo ei Pakistan thil ti ania
attacks. The UN has also said the number of casualties could rise as more injured people receive treatment.
Hliam ate po khanin serious deu an lo om ve te po ani mai thaya khang te khanin tuna treatment an la mek ni in alanga khang te kha an serious an zual deu chuanin Mizoram ni pare thi anga an report po kha khang te po kha lapung theidin huna ading te in UN lampang chuanin an soibokani tuna hianin Afghanistan le Pakistan te an hin do le UN lampang hianin an indo te hi anti top thei don lo ti hi chu chiang sa ania an tangkai lo khop me hetiang vela hianin UN tak hi chu chuan ro he ka soitum kha
Secretary General is deeply concerned by the latest violence between Afghanistan and Pakistan, which resulted in civilian casualties. He called for an immediate cessation of hostilities.
Taliban ho khanin Pakistan vakap ta mase aboy na siam chuak zok tu tak chu Pakistan ani ta ti khan vakam hasa Taliban in an chang le ta Pakistan in an chang le ta Taliban in an chang le le atira Iran le US ang deu khan mo ti khan anti in tieng a boina na sa zok zual zok te po hi thil ho te tang hianin aron chuak le mai thayani Iran le US te tiang in rem tho don chau tia Israelin Iran be theidin muna adin thu a be thut thei ani tiang zo vel te khanin thu aron nei le boxia tuna Pakistan le Afghanistan te tiang hianin an lo inti boy le boxia boy thak thin khop mai
and the protection of civilians.
So thil pakhale Pakistan occupied Kashmir India rama bet du ho te hian tuna hianin Pakistan laga tangin zallen na an puang ti thom te ompokani chu wang chuanin Pakistan he an tum lo deuh hianin an buai chho viau thei ani o kha tun tum news atana toisi kim sianga kan han riek thei chu ani ram then omte ani mana video lai mulai thep don ni o
The Secretary